This is after 6+ inches of snowfall. I think we actually got about a foot. My driveway, still haven't got it blown out. I got most of this done. Snowplows will block that in. That's part of what I did last night. I didn't do the whole driveway, but if you look, that's how deep it is. My foot is 12 inches. So it's almost 13 inches in my driveway. So basically here we got a foot. As you get closer to the driveway, I still have to blow all this out, blew it out last night. Yeah, if I put my foot in, just so you get an idea of how deep compared to what it is. But that's my driveway. And I'm not even done blowing it out yet. Right now it's 33 degrees. A foot of snow or more. Yesterday at 1:30 we had 6+ inches. This is Minnesota, guys. Love it or leave it. I'd rather leave it because I don't like the snow and the cold. But family here, this is what keeps me here. So, you ever wonder what living in Minnesota is like in December, January, and February, March, one of our Noah's seasons? There you go. We get dumped on every snowstorm we get. Take care.